Mute పెట్టాలా?
Good morning, ma'am. Hearty welcome to the session, ma'am. We are waiting for you. Please start the session, ma'am.
Thank you, girls. Good morning. Shall I start now?
Yes, ma'am.
Few students are there. Why? Year-ending celebrations are going on, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Only few girls are there today.
No.
Yeah, no, ma'am.
Less full strength is there.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, yes ante yes, no ante no. Okay, leave it that one. See, in the yesterday class, I'll explain to the start the type study wall walks. No, what is the wall walks? What is the systematic positions? This one is a chlorophyce. In the class, Chris scientist to divided into the 11 classes. No, girls. In these 11 classes, the chlorophyce is the first class. Under chlorophyce, you can study to the 3 type studies. One is the Volvox, second one is the Idogonium, third one is Cara. Okay. In the yesterday class, I'll explain to the Volvox. What is the systematic position of Volvox? The class is the Chlorophyceae, order Volvocales, family Volvocaceae, and the genus name is these volvox estradiol habitat completed and asexual reproduction also completed. Yes, girls. Main thing this one is the freshwater algae. Cenobium colony is present, colonial form and cenobium. You know what is cenobium, what is colonial form? Multicellular flagellated thallus is present. You can observe in this volvox where the fresh water is there, in that ponds, lakes, like this. And the structure, you know, each and every cell, just like Chlamydomonas type, 2 flagellas are present. See here, this is the colony or cenobium. This one is a polarity is present. Polarity meaning, what is the meaning of polarity? Anterior and posterior side both are present. That's why this one is a polarity present. And in the middle part is the halosphere is also present. The shape of cell, each and every cell, just like Chlamydomonas structure is there. 2 flagelluses and the ear eyes part and cup-shaped pyrenoid prominent nucleus also present. This is a cell structure. Reproduction, you know, both reproductions are present. Here vegetative reproduction is totally absent. What type of reproduction present? Two types. One is the asexual reproduction and second one is called the sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction takes place under unfavorable conditions during the spring season, early summer season. Mostly posterior part to develop to the sexual organs or sexual cells. Here, the way the sexual cells to form in that cell to large in size, loss of the flagella, that name is called gonidea. Okay, and how to form gonidea? In that one, first division longitudinal to form two cells formation, and again these cells to divided into the longitudinal to form to the 4 cell stage. Here right angle to longitudinal divisions under these 4 cell stage, after to 8 cell stage to form, in that one is called plakia stage. In the plakia, here inversion colony is to form, where this empty space is there, no girls? In that one is the pylophore. Okay, these pylophore after development, the close to the total young colony, or sometimes in the cenobium daughter colonies and granddaughter colonies also present. That is called the autocolonies. The total is called autocolonies. This asexual reproduction is totally completed in the yesterday class. Yes, girls? Yes or no?
Yes.
Anybody? Yes. Now today you write your the reproduction name is called sexual reproduction. Volvox sexual reproduction. See here. in the is a very advanced type of oogamous type. What is the sexual reproduction, girls? Oogamous type. Tell me, anyone, what is a sexual reproduction? What is a sexual reproduction? Oogamous. What is the type, ma? Sexual reproduction? Oogamous type. Reproduction cells may be mostly you can observe differentiated into the posterior side, where the posterior colony is there. In that posterior colony, you can observe reproductive cells. The cells in that reproductive cells enlarge in size, lost the flagella, and are called gametangium. That is called gametangium. Gamete the sexual reproduction, two are present. What are the two meaning? Male gamete and female gamete. Okay, and these tell me, ma.
Ma'am, మీ వాయిస్ స్టక్ అవుతుంది అప్పుడప్పుడు.
What happened?
Okay, madam, proceed.
See here, two gametes to and the cenobium may be sometimes sexual reproduction. Here cenobium, sometimes monoecious species are there. In some are the dioecious. Monoecious species, the best example, Volvox globator is the monoecious. Where the Volvox arenus is there, that one is the dioecious species. These in dioecious species, Antheridia and Oogonia found in separate cenobium. Yes or no? You know, where the monoecious species is there, both are found in same cenobium. Monoecious species is there. In that monoecious species, where in the cenobium, the male and female gamete to found in same cenobium. Where the dioecious species are there, in that dioecious species, the male gamete and cenobiums. Here in this male reproductive organ name is called Antheridia or Androgonidium. Antheridia or Androgonidium. Where the female reproductive organ name is called Oogonia. What is the male reproductive organ name? Antheridia or Androgonium. Female reproductive organ name is called Oogonia or Gynandrospis. That one is the Gynandrospis. That one is a gynogonidia. Both are the male and female reproductive organs. Okay, how to anthrozoid, how to antheridium develop? First one. First, I'll explain to the development of anthrozoid or antheridium. Here, the gametangium, which antheridium. Gametangium, which gametangium? Male reproductive gametangium, which develops into an antheridium in large in size than the vegetative cell of the colony. It is flagella or withdraw, but it remains connected with other vegetative cells by the cytoplasmic strands also present in this one. Here, the development of antheridium starts initial. How to develop? First one, antheridia to develop androgonia, but that one is the androgonium. These gametangium, the starting initial cells with initial antheridian initial or androgonidial initial. Mostly you can observe to the posterior side of the cenobium or colony. The development of anthrozoid, where the posterior side of cenobium or colony is there, in that colony cells to develop to the antheridial initial. In these initial or androgoniad initial, both names are same, girls, don't confuse. Gonidia meaning reproductive organ development, no, that's where the name is called androgonidial cells. The starting antheridial in cells, first one enlarge in size and second one lost the flagella In that cell, protoplasm become dense, nucleus become a very large in size. They how to identify other cells in these androgonodial cells, the initial androgonian initial to compare to other vegetative cell, the cell size is very enlarged in size. And second thing, lost the flagella. And third one, the protoplast become a very dense and prominent nucleus or nucleus size is become a very large. And the next one, the next step of development antheridia initial, shift inside towards the cavity and remain connected with the other vegetative cell through the cytoplasmic connections. What is this one? Here, these antheridial initial in shift to this total initial cells shift inside towards the cavities, and these cells to connected with the other vegetative cells also. How to connect? The through the cytoplasmic strand. They both antheridial initial vegetative are to connected with the cytoplasmic strands. In this antheridial initial, protoplast divides longitudinally divisions. Which one is divide, girls? Here not vegetative cells, only antheridial initial cells to divide. In that cell protoplast divide longitudinally divisions are under in these initial cells to form to the 16 to 512 and elongated cells to form. These cells also just plate-like structure arrange halosphere, and in asexual reproduction plate-like cells are there, no? Same here also plate-like. See here, this is the antheridia. These antheridia first longitudinal division to form to the 2 cell, again longitudinal division to form to the 8-like or plate-like cells to form. This one is the plate-like cells. These plate-like cells, and next one second, ma. Plate-like plate-like structure arranged in halosphere. Inversion of the cell also takes place in asexual reproduction. Just like in asexual reproduction, here the cells inversions also present. See, this is the inversion. First you can observe like this rounded. After the longitudinal section, all cells, just like asexual reproduction also inversion is present. They know here also the all cells to inversion takes place and asexual reproductive. Each cell differentiated into anthrozoid or spermatozoid. Each and every cell name. See here, flagella is there, no? In the last diagram, E diagram, you can observe this one, anthrozoids or spermatozoids. Both names are same, girls. The anthrozoid in a spindle shape, elongated biflagella structure. You can observe, ma, each and every
Ma'am, once more tell me the
anthrozoid, spindle shaped, the structure. Which one, ma? Hello.
ma'am sexual.
Which one, girls?
Once more tell me now.
Once more. Okay. Sexual reproduction. What is the type of sexual reproduction? Oogamous type of a very highly advanced type, that is called oogamous. What is the meaning of sexual reproduction? Here mostly to produce to the two sex organs or two gametes. One is the male gamete, second one is the female gamete. Where you can observe in the colony, the sexual reproductive cells mostly differentiated in the posterior part of the colony. All sex organs are reproductive cells to found in the posterior part of the colony. These cells, where the posterior part of the cells are there, in that cell enlarge in size, lost the flagella, and are called, that is the gametangia. Meaning, gametangia meaning two gametes to produce, male gamete and female gamete. Here male gamete name is called antheridia or androgonidia. The female reproductive organ name is called oogonidia. Okay, did you understand? Antheridia or androgonidia. Female reproductive organ name is called oogonia or gynogonidia. These two cell organs. Now I'll explain. This is a sexual reproduction. How to develop the anthrozoid? First, I'll explain the development of anthrozoid. You know where the posterior cells is there, in that cell to found to produce to the reproductive cells or gametangent cells. The development of antheridium start with formation of antheridial initial. The cells, which one is undergoes division is there, in that cell name is called, this is the antheridia developed. That's why I'll explain to the antheridial initial. In case oogonia initials are there in the female reproductive, oogonia development time, I'll explain to the oogonial initial. Here, the start with the formation of antheridial initial or androgonidial cells, mostly in, you can observe to the posterior side of the colony. This initial, which initial? Antheridial initial cells enlarge in size, lost the flagella. This cell protoplast become is a very dense, and the nucleus is a bigger in size or large in size. And the difference, other cells in the antheridial cell, the difference, these are characters. These antheridial initial shifts inside towards the cavity, remain connected with the other vegetative cells. How to connect? Through the cytoplasmic connections or cytoplasmic strands are present. All cells to connect with the antheridial initial and vegetative cells. In the antheridial initial protoplast, first initial divide is the longitudinal division. After longitudinal division to form to the 16 to 512 elongated cells. These cells also remain plate-like structure arranged in a hollow space of sphere of the colony. This is same, you can observe to the, in the sexual reproduction. Here also inversion, all cells, inversion of the cells also takes place in a asexual reproduction. Each and every cell differentiated into the anthrozoid or spermatozoid. You can observe this one. First one is the where the posterior side of colony cell converted into the antheridium or androgonidia, to the after longitudinal section to form two cell, second longitudinal section to form the plate-like cells. These are the anthrozoid or androgonidia. These are the antheridiums or spermatozoids. These antheridia or anthrozoid spindle shape, elongated and biflagella. So you can observe in the picture E. That is the spindle shape. One second. Spindle shape, elongated and biflagellated structure, contain contract vacuoles also present, cup-shaped chloroplast, pyrenoids, eye spot, all are present. The color of spermatozoid green in color. These, the anthrozoids are released individually, sometimes groups also to releasing the anthrozoids. This is the development of anthrozoid. Did you understood, ma? Anthrozoid?
Understood.
Next one, ma, development of oogonia. Male reproductive organ is developed. Next one is the female reproductive organ or female gametangium or the development of oogonium. Same here also, where the colony of the posterior side cell, the oogonia also differentiated mostly in the posterior side of the colony. Same here also, the oogonial initial enlarge, nucleus become large. Same character, girls. You can keep in your mind one, the antheridium or oogonium, the characters is same, similar. Same ear cells also enlarge size. Nucleus become very large. Protoplasm become a dense or large amount of protoplasm is present. Flagella also lost. Eye spot also disappear. Many pyrenoids also appear in this character. Same like that anthrozoid also. Here mature oospore or ovum is a round and flask shaped structure. The egg is uninucleate structure. The beak of flask-shaped oogonium function as a receptive part. See here, where the posterior part of the cell in the colony, in that posterior cells to converted into the oogonium or oogonidium. This one large in size, loss of flagella, prominent nucleus enlarged, dense cytoplasm, and this one is the oogonial initial. Eye spot also lost, disappear. Many pyrenoids present in this one. These mature oospore are ovium. See, this is a mature egg, mature ovium, flask shape. This one is a flask shaped structure. Always, this one is the egma. This part is called egg. The egg is always uninucleate structure. The beak meaning this called beak-like structure or beak of the flask-shaped oogonium function as a receptive spot. Function ready to the mature oogonium and anthrozoids also to form. See where the anthrozoid, you can observe C diagram, girls. This round part is called the oogonia, oosphere or ovium. In the ovium, egg is present. In the remaining, you can observe surrounding here. What are these? Are anthrozoids. What is this first? Spermatozoids or anthrozoids. Both are found in this structure. After to formation of these two, fertilize how to fertilize the volvox. But after liberation from antheridium, the anthrozoid swim freely. How to fertilize? How to comes in this place? Space. After liberation, these antheridium or anthrozoids swim freely surface of water due to here chematactic response. Chematactic meaning here one chemical, the ovum or that one female reproductive organ to produce that some chemicals, enzymes. That's where this is the to attract to the male. This is called the chematactic response. These chematic respond, the anthrozoid reach the ovum or oogonia. Some anthrozoid enter into the oogonium. See here, anthrozoid, some anthrozoid enter. You can observe to the in the picture, mind the diagram, circle, some anthrozoids are present. Yes, girls. These how many? Only minimum 5 to 10 is there. No, only one anthrozoid enter. Here many are there. Only one anthrozoid enter into the ovum, enter into the oogonium through the receptive spot. After this plasmogamy, what is the meaning of plasmogamy? That is called fusion of male and female cytoplasm, and karyogamy, that is called the plasmogamy. Cytoplasm, male gamete, female gamete, cytoplasm to fuse, that is the plasmogamy. Karyogamy meaning fusion of the male and female gamete, nuclei takes place. Divisions are there, that is called the. This result formation of diploid zygote. You can observe the diagram D, girls. This is the diploid to form the diploid zygote. After zygote, diploid zygote create to the very thick layer is present. 3-layered thick wall zygote to form. These 3 layer is the exospore, mesospore, endo. Outer layer name is called exo. Middle is called meso. Inner side endospore. Okay, very thick walled, 3-layered thick walled zygote to form. Exospore, meso, endospore. Exospore always to compare other two very thick. Meso, endo very smooth, thin and very smooth layer. The zygote released by disintegration in the parent colony. The then zygote undergoes a period of sometime dormancy. Why? That is the unfavorable condition is there. In that time, the zygote undergo to the dormancy. After favorable condition, the zygote or oosphere, the name, same names, girls, don't confuse. Zygote and oosphere, both names are same. after favorable condition, meaning when the rainy season to start, in that time the zygote, outer layer of the zygote break in the inner layer is extracted from the vesicle. Before this single diploid nucleus of the cell divide, meiosis division under to form to the 4 haploid nuclei. The daughter nuclei enter vesicles produced biflagellated meiospores. But these biflagellated meiospores withdraw flagella and protoplasm graced rounded undergoes in these successive and longitudinal division. From specific number of protoplasmic divisions also present. After inversion, the total colony is individual cells exactly same like that the asexual reproduction. After that one to form to the new Volvox colonies. This is the development of what do you call that one is the development of oogonia, or the development that is called the zygote development. In this one, I'll explain one other one very important, the total life cycle. The life cycle of Volvox here. 1 second, I'll explain that one also. Haplonetic life cycle, although here present in this Volvox girls. Okay, girls, if any doubt to ask me, ma. Girls. Hello.
No, madam.
It's clear totally. See here, asexual reproduction directly volve daughter colonies to form. Where the sexual 2 gametes are no, one antheridia, second oogonia. Antheridia develop anthrozoid, oogonia develop egg. Both are to fusion to form to the zygote. After reproduction, each and every one biflagellated swimmers are present or colonies. In that colony, name is called juvenile colony. Why juvenile? All the what do you call the all colonies in this one biflagellate and cenobium are present. No, that's why this is called the juvenile colonies. And the daughter colonies and granddaughter colonies, auto colonies also present. This colony, that name is called juvenile colony. Okay, it's clear, ma? The total Volvox. Yes, girls.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I start the another one?
Okay, ma'am.
Begonia?